Polyverse wider. Does it work? So Infected Mushroom, in collaboration with Polyverse, just released a plugin called Wider. It's pretty much the widening element taken out of their more renowned plugin Manipulator, which is a very cool plugin, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. I'm just going to chat about Wider. So I've been reading quite a lot of forums. There's quite a lot of guys who seem to smack talk Infected Mushroom every time they come out with a plugin for various reasons. You know, do we need this type of plugin? Is this useful? Etc, etc, etc. And I won't lie, at first, when I read about another sort of widener plugin, I was like, okay, what's sort of new about this? But then I realized it's actually the widener element which is taken out of the Manipulator plugin, which I've actually used just to widen up sounds itself, because the plugin just seemed to have this very sort of different way of widening sounds, because it seemed like they stumbled onto a pretty cool technology within the Manipulator plugin itself. So up until now, pretty much every stereo widening plugin on the market is a kind of a mixture of hard panning and phase manipulation to create a sort of perceived wider sound. The result is generally problems with monocompatibility or, as I said before, phasing issues. And the cool thing about Wider is that Polyverse claims that you don't have issues with monocompatibility, and I actually checked this out. So all I want to do in this video is I just want to answer the question for you guys: does the plugin work? I mean, it's free, you might as well grab it, there's no harm, and check it out for yourself, but I want to let you know what I think about the plugin. So if you've been following along with my channel and my tutorials, you're probably familiar with the track that we got going here. And there's one synth in the track that I'm feeling does actually need to kind of have a bit of sort of widening boost to it. I feel the nature of the sound is sort of very deep and wide, but it's not coming through in the track like that. So I want to see if this plugin does what they say it does. So this is the section that I'm talking about. And it's this synth that I'm talking about that I'm not too convinced about where it's sitting in the stereo field. So this is the plugin, very, very simple, very easy. It's literally just got one controller. You can turn it up to 100%, which is your full stereo width. And it's even got all the way up to 200%, which is kind of like a boosted or more accentuated or more extreme stereo width. So let's have a listen to what it does to the sound, both soloed, and then I'll play the track and we can have a listen. So I'm already immediately noticing a much more prominent sound, and what I want to do is I actually just want to test to see how the sound sits in terms of monocompatibility. So that's awesome. Once you sum it down to mono, it's literally the sound unchanged as it was before the plugin. This is pretty weird, as I've never actually come across a widening plugin that can do this 100%. It's always kind of been a balance between, how much do you want it to sound wider and how much monocompatibility you want to sacrifice. So this is really cool, and I'll probably find myself using this plugin quite extensively because of that one reason alone. So obviously don't want to overdo it, because I might have other elements in the track which I want to make even wider than the synth alone, like the atmospheres and stuff like that. So for now I'm just going to leave it at about 100%, and I might accentuate other elements further. So let's unsolo it and listen to what it sounds like in relation to the rest of the track. Let's try it out on this Tristan-style psychedelic percussion sound that we made in the previous episode. Wow, that plugin is actually very, very cool. So I'm going to answer the question for you now. Does it work? Yes, it absolutely does work, and you guys should grab it because it's free. head on over to the Polyverse website. If you didn't know where it is, I'm going to post a link in the comments below. If you like what I'm doing on this channel and you want to support me, head on over to my Patreon and check out the different pledges I've got for you there. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.